Hello everyone, good morning and good afternoon or good evening wherever you are. Uh, in this video tutorial, I will explain to you how to complete the Microsoft Office integration project, okay? So let me briefly explain to you what we're gonna do, right? Basically, in this project, student gonna integrate all the Office program that we have covered throughout the semester. As you can see here, the project main objective is consists of the integration of all four Office programs that cover in the class uh, of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access database, right? uh, Student will come up with a fictitious company, business, and etc. Right? For example, a bakery, tutoring business, or maybe flower shop. Once you decide on the fictitious company or businesses, then you can start completing the following assignment, right? So the first one is basically create a flyer to market your business and include the following, right? Name of the business, right? Information about your business, product, and services. Use some of the features in Word, shapes, using the shape tools. Create logo for your flyer, right? A table with the contact information on your business, right? This is required that you do to include chart. You will create under Microsoft Excel, right? Do not copy and paste. Insert the chart as an object. You will have you have to do the Excel portion of this project before attempting this Word task, right? We have a video example here, right? So this is what we're gonna do for the first part, right? So the project consists of four different parts. The first one is Microsoft Word, right? So initial state, decide what fictitious company you want to have and then create a flyer to market your business. So that's the first one. The second one is to create PowerPoint, right? So the PowerPoint, create a 4 slide of PowerPoint with the following information, right? Name, slide one is name of businesses, your name and logo. And slide number two is about your businesses, about your business or company or services. Number three, slide three is use smart art to list or highlight the business, right? For example, maybe you're providing services or products. And the last slide is include a table with contact information that you created for the flyer, right? Insert a table as an object, right? In case you need some help here, we have the tutorial, right? So that's the second part of the project. The first one to create a flyer using Word and then create a PowerPoint slide using Microsoft PowerPoint, okay? And the third one, we're gonna use Microsoft Excel, right? Microsoft Excel, using Microsoft Excel, student will create a spreadsheet using data associated with your business along with the calculation. For example, you can create a spreadsheet with the monthly sales of product and services, then use that data to perform calculations such as your average, maximum, and minimum. So let me give you an example here for Excel. For example, you're gonna give, uh, for example, student can do like this, right? January, right? And then February, maybe you can just create for 6 months or 4 months, right? Like this, right? Maybe 5 months, and then you're gonna put the sales here, right? The sales, how much for the sales? You're gonna put maybe 10,000, right? 10,000, and then you're gonna put 15,000, 20,000, 10,000, and 30,000, for example. So that's how you do that, right? 30,000. And here, I think the direction they ask you to calculate the minimum and the minimum, the maximum and the average, right? Okay. So they also ask you to create a chart. So how we create a chart, I think we can do like this, right? The chart like this, control key like this. You can create a chart, insert chart, right? How you create a chart? What's the recommended one? Maybe this one is better, right? We can use this one as a chart. There here. It's called monthly sales, right? So this is just an example how you do that. Monthly sales for the product, right? Okay, so that is about the Excel, right? It may take a few hours to do this, right? Because the first thing that student need to do is to read the instruction, and once you read the instruction and fully understand what they want to accomplish, after that, you can start do the project. So we have Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, right? So that's the third one. The fourth one is to using Access database. This is the fourth part, right? Using Microsoft Access, you will create database for your business and include the following, right? Basically, you're gonna create a database for your customer, right? Name the database as Office Integration Project and name the table as customer. This is the table structure, right? I provided the table structure already. Once you create the structure, name it as a customer, then you enter the data. You can enter 5 random records, right? It can be your friends, your family member, or instructor, right? Only 5 of them. So that's basically you need to do, right? So once we finish this, basically that is the Office integration project. It's not that difficult. It just takes a little bit time and fully understand the concept of each of these application, right? This is very useful, especially if you want to open a business later on during your lifetime, and you know how to use this thing, right? Uh, Access is mainly used for database. For example, Access program is a good tool to use for inventory and customer, right? Customer database or inventory. This is a good tools. Microsoft Excel is mostly for calculation. Calculate the average, maximum, minimum, and the total, right? And normally we use Microsoft Office for correspondence or create a flyer. We can also use, we can also create a flyer using Microsoft PowerPoint, but here they want to do a presentation on this. All right. So once student finish all the projects, so there will be 4 files, right? So student will have 4 files: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Once you finish that, upload it to the Blackboard together, okay? So I think that's basically assignment for the semester. We are also approaching to the end of the semester. Please uh, manage your time properly, all right? Manage your time accordingly. So I know that you have many other obligations, like taking other classes, and you have a family, and some of you maybe work full-time or part-time, right? Uh, what else I want to mention? Here we go. I think since we are approaching to the end, I want to mention that all assignment for this class for VO3, right? For BCIS section VO3, uh, all assignments should be in by December 2nd, right? Because your final is 5 and 6. This is for section VO3, right? BCIS 1305 VO3. That means it's a regular semester. For my mini master, I will mention that later, right? So this is for my regular semester VO3. All assignments should be in by December 2nd, Friday 2020. And then student can take final from December 5th to 6th. So you have 2 days to complete it. Okay. For mini master, I will announce that through the Blackboard. All right. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully that this video is informative to you. Bye and have a good Thanksgiving. Be safe and stay well. Bye.